Hi guys, Linda C here. In this video, we're going to learn about in-text citations in APA style. There are many ways to integrate sources into your research paper using APA style in-text citations. Whenever you use a direct quote or paraphrase an idea from a source, a parenthetical in-text citation must be used in your sentence. APA style in-text citations must always include the author's last name and publication date, and should include a page number in some cases. If you are referring to an idea or concept from an entire source, such as a book, article, or website, you do not need to include a page number in your in-text citation. Just the author's last name, followed by a comma and the publication year. If you are directly quoting or paraphrasing from a source, a page number must be included in your in-text citation, along with the author's last name and publication date. If your quote or paraphrase comes from one page of your source, use P period, then the page number. If the quote or paraphrase comes from multiple pages of your source, use PP period, then the page number. Short quotations can be written within your text using quotation marks. In your sentence, the author's name can be included within the content of your sentence, followed by the publication year in parentheses. If a page number also needs to be included, that will be placed at the end of your sentence within parentheses. Alternatively, the author's last name, publication date, and page number, if needed, can all be placed at the end of the sentence within parentheses. Longer quotations, those that are more than 40 words, should be written in block style. This means you'll need to start the quote on a new line and indent each line of the quote. Quotation marks are not needed for these longer quotes. As with short quotations, the author's name can either be included within the content of your sentence, followed by the publication year in parentheses, with the page number at the end of the block quote. Or the author's last name, publication date, and page number, if needed, can all be placed at the end of the quote. For each source cited within your paper, there should be one complete citation in your references page. Chapter 8 of the APA Publication Manual has more information about formatting your in-text citations. For more information on APA style, check out our other videos on APA formatting and references, or visit our APA 7th edition guide.